I did a really bad job today at vlogging. Now there's the CNC already working there. In case you don't know, this is this part of me making the wing desk. So I'm working on the legs now, and I did two mock-ups. This and this. This is more old style, you know, when people just used to put circles to take weight off. This at least looks like it's more thought out and it's like more computer area. So I went with this template here that I cut with the laser just to see how it looks. Now the CNC router is at work and it's cutting these legs in aluminum, 6mm thick aluminum. It's gonna be two of these, like imagine it's gonna be two of this with spacers in between, like this thick. It's gonna do a great job with casters as well. And we are also riveting all the aluminum sheets. We are putting the rivets in. It's kind of a long work, but it's going great and it looks amazing. I really can't wait to like peel off the protective layer but I think I'm gonna do that when it's finished. So it's gonna be like, What else do I have to say? Nothing. I mean, it's going pretty good. Now roll the music and I'll show you like kind of where we are. You can't hear anything when the router is going. It's pretty bad. There was a lot of setup today. I really did a very bad job at vlogging the whole thing because it was mostly repetitive things. Look how good it looks. I still need to figure out exactly what I want to do with this, but I think I got an idea that it's kind of easy enough to do and I really want to finish it tomorrow. On another note, now I'm taking the whole team to Monaco. We're gonna eat hamburgers and play bowling, which I'm really bad at, but I'm gonna have them to let me win, otherwise they lose their job. I just came back because I heard that the CNC was finished. Woo, look at that. Nice. This was 1.5 hour operation and it went amazing. I'm super happy on, like, I don't even think I touched the MDF, the spoiler board. No onion skin, just like in little pieces, but that's just the protective layer. It went amazing. No cooling fluid, no anything. The bit is not even warm, it's like cold. I think the feeds and speed were amazing for the first time. I've never cut aluminum in that machine. Super happy about the results. Now we have to go. Go! We're in Monaco. Hey. Hey. I had to do that.
Bonne soirée.
So I rented the whole thing because then we are, you know, it's better. I'm kidding, there's just no one else. Okay, so obviously my team, it was me, Marco and Mario. No, Mario.
No. Very cool.
The amazing editor that everyone is talking about.
No.
We won, so no one is losing his job.
2
So,
points.
yeah, we won for 2 points, but that's winning anyway, right?